Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I'm bringing you another vegan tutorial. As the holidays are right around the corner, I wanted to give you guys a couple other options that you can do with your Cotton Creations cornbread mix because yes, baby, it is not a one-stop shop. We offer versatility, okay? But you know, during the holidays, there's always been this debate about are you team pumpkin or are you team sweet potato? Let me know in the comment section which one you are, pumpkin, sweet potato. I like both. But either way, if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. But before we hop into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the awesome videos. Let's hop into it. In today's video, I'm going to be featuring, that's right, sweet potato. But team pumpkin, don't you even worry, I got you. I got a video coming for y'all too in just a few days. So be sure to stay tuned, turn those notifications on so you don't miss it. And yeah, so let's go ahead and hop into this recipe. Here's what you'll need for this recipe: some unsweetened plant-based milk, plant-based butter, ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, ground nutmeg, some sweet potatoes that have been cooked so that you can mash them, and of course, to start the show, our Cotton Creations Vegan Honey Pecan Cornbread mix. So as you can see, I decided to boil my sweet potatoes with the skin on, and once it cooled, I took the skin off, and they are soft enough so that I can just go ahead and mash them up. So you can always roast them in the oven, cook them in the microwave, do it how I did it. Just make sure it's soft enough so you can mash them. Next, we're going to add a few ingredients to the mashed sweet potatoes. We're going to add the ground cinnamon, the vanilla extract, and the nutmeg. Now we're just going to mix together everything and make sure that all the spices coat all your mashed sweet potatoes. And of course, if you miss anything, the recipe is down in the description box down below for you to download or print out. As far as the Cotton Creation cornbread mix, we're going to just follow the instructions as it states on the bag. Add the milk and the melted butter and just whisk it together. And then we're going to go back and add in our sweet potatoes. And we're just going to mix that very well until everything is smooth and blended. And then we're going to go ahead and add this to either a greased pan, or if you want to do muffins with it, you can, as I'm doing in the video. So you want to fill up your muffins about 3/4 of the way. And then after that, what we're going to do is we're going to take those candied pecans and we're just going to sprinkle them on top of the cornbread mix. And then we're going to pop it in the oven on 350 for about 40 minutes into the oven, and let's check on them. Don't they look good? Don't they look good? But we're not done yet. So just before they finish cooking all the way, after about 40 minutes of baking, you want to pull them out, and we're going to add some pure maple syrup to them, and you just want to drizzle it on top. Yes, y'all see that? Come on now. And you know how well maple syrup goes with sweet potatoes. So anyway, you're going to drizzle that on top, and then you're going to go ahead and place it back in the oven for about 5 minutes. You can also use the Cotton Creations vegan honey packet as well instead of the maple syrup. All right, so please let me know what you guys think of this tutorial. Like I said, it's super easy and simple to make, but let me tell you one thing. Adding the sweet potato really changes the flavor and the dynamic of the cornbread. I mean, it just gives it another element. And not to mention, when you bake those candy pecans in the cornbread and then add that maple syrup on top, ooh-wee! Anyway, let me know if you guys have ever had sweet potato cornbread. I know you haven't had the Cotton Creations sweet potato cornbread with the candy pecan maple syrup, but let me know if you're going to try the recipe, and let me know your thoughts once you try it down in the comment section down below. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next awesome video. Thanks for watching.